Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses once again. So today we are talking about pre-pooing for your hair. Okay, so if you are tuned in into my hair care 101 series, you know that we've talked about how to build a regimen from scratch, talking about how to know your porosity, talked about shampoos and all that. So now it's time to talk about pre-poo. Well, this should have been number one, by the way. Pre-pooing. So what exactly is pre-pooing? Pre-pooing, like the name suggests, is pre-shampoo step. So for more of this, make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that. It's free, guys. It's free. Just make sure you subscribe and let's get the family growing. And I'm NanaYaa. If you're new to my channel, you don't know who I am. Hi, I'm NanaYaa. We hope you join us, and then we're a lovely family here. Let's talk about hair, makeup, salt development, everything else in between. Okay, now for the video. Pre-pooing, like the name suggests, like I said, it's a pre-shampoo treatment. So it's basically what you do to your hair before you shampoo your hair. Okay, layman's terms. Now this can consist of a variety of things, from hot oil treatments to a protein treatment to a hair mask to a scalp detox to a hair growth mask. Like there are a lot of things you can do to your hair before you shampoo your hair. So normally what a pre-poo treatment does is that it's supposed to kind of fortify your hair and strengthen your hair, or moisturize your hair, or give your hair an extra something, a little extra something, okay, before you shampoo your hair and you wash your hair out. So pre-poo treatments are usually, like I said, broken down into three, let me just say two categories. Okay, two categories: the moisturizing pre-poo treatment and then the protein pre-poo treatment. You can do either based on your hair needs. Of course, we're going to start with the moisturizing pre-poo treatment. So a moisturizing pre-poo treatment is supposed to, add some moisture to your hair before you shampoo it out. We all know that shampoos are supposed to strip out the moisture in our hair as well as the dirt and everything else. But in the process, it ends up getting some of the moisture out of our hair and the oils out of our hair. That is the reason why some people, for their pre-poo treatments, like to put oils in their hair in the form of a hot oil treatment or just regular oil in their hair, to just feed their hair a little bit before they shampoo it out, so that the shampoo doesn't strip out all of it from their hair. Okay, so with the hot oil treatment, it's super simple. All you need is just your oil, obviously any oil of choice. You warm it up in a warm water bath, like a hot water bath. You just put the oil in whatever your applicator bottle, you set it in some hot water, and you apply it to your hair. Please don't heat it like on fire. Don't do that. Another thing, you can heat your water in a microwave and then sit the oil in the applicator bottle inside for some time. Then you apply it to your hair. Make sure the oil is not hot. You're going to burn yourself. Okay, make sure that it's warm to the touch, that you can put your hand inside and not feel like you are frying yourself. That's not the aim of this experiment. The aim of this is just to make sure that your hair is getting some warm oil, so that you can cause the cuticles to open up and receive. That is the purpose. Okay, so warm oil, but normally we call it a hot oil. Okay, a hot oil treatment. You put that in your hair, let it sit for a couple of minutes before you wash your hair. Ideally, you can, with the hot oil treatment, you can even leave it overnight. It's going to be fine. It's oil, your hair will be able to survive. But you can also do it 15 minutes even before you wash your hair, and it's still going to work just as fine. So that's number one. Another thing you can also do for a moisturizing treatment is a hair mask. So there are a couple of moisturizing hair masks. If you guys want me to show you a range of moisturizing hair masks that you can use, not only for a pre-poo treatment but also for a deep condition, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you've gotten to me at this point in the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a butterfly emoji so that I know you're still with me. Okay, so moving on from the moisturizing part, you also have the protein pre-poo treatment. This again is supposed to add some strength into your hair. Usually people like to do this when they don't want to, do a protein treatment in the wash day routine. So they do the protein treatment as, a pre-poo, and then they follow up with their shampoo, then they deep condition with moisture. Let me also, I don't think I have to say this, but I'm just going to say it anyway. As a disclaimer, every single time, okay, every single time that you do a protein treatment to your hair, be sure to follow up with the moisturizing deep condition. Okay, this is to prevent protein overload. This is to prevent breakage in your hair, because then what will be the point of trying to strengthen your hair only to have it break because your hair is too strong now? Like spark, okay, like macaroni. If it's too hard, it will break. If it's too soft, it will break. It has to be al dente. Okay, so for that purpose, please make sure that every single time you have a protein treatment done to your hair, you follow up with a moisturizing deep condition. So those are the various ways you can pre-poo your hair. Like I said, with the protein treatment, it's not ideal to do it overnight. That one is best to do it maximum 15 to 30 minutes before you wash your hair. Okay, because protein in your hair for extended periods too can be very damaging. Okay, so just for a few minutes and then you wash it out, and then continue the rest of your wash day routine. So those are the various ways by which you can pre-poo your hair. If this content is valuable to you, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you enjoy content like this, so let me know so I can keep making more for you guys. Okay, so that's basically it about pre-pooing. And oh, this wouldn't be me without me adding a little extra spin to it. For your pre-poo, you can also add some growth treatments, okay, a growth hair mask. With a growth hair mask, it can either be moisturizing or protein. Again, if you want me to show you some of my DIY recipes, be sure to comment down in the comment section below. As always, NanaYaa Tresses, and I'll see you next time. Bye.